Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Oh, shit! Woo! 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 That boy, you got him, baby. Got him. Woo! Woo! Got that bad boy. Woo! Woo! Look at that. That is Washington State Patrol, baby. Woo! Woo! What the? Have to have a new scene every 5 seconds. It's just,
and also if it's like something crazy, if somebody's fighting, like a fight,
that helps.
Yeah.
And that doesn't even matter. All you have to do is just constantly switch angles. Do you ever watch a reality show? My wife watches that stupid Kardashian show.
I'll watch it too, but
she puts it on in the
it's
gym.
So...
Hey! What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? You what? You what? You what? You what, motherfucker?
An opportunity economy where everyone has a chance to get a car loan, buy a home, start a business. And I believe we can make that happen.
Oh, that guy was just being an asshole.
Bring down costs. Making meaning for young people, whatever their gender identity is, about who they are in the world that isn't just like reactionary and bad.
Listen, I think liberals have gone behind.
Focus on what people care about. That's why that's why he's won 2 elections now, and he has a mandate. He has a mandate. Now, our job in the House and the Senate is to
believe those people on the radio show this morning. I'm not gonna turn. Mr. Uber driver.
Dude, it for real is. He just hit me.
Wow. Honey, you're just gonna have to wait. Where are we at?
What's the 860's taking off?
Okay, it is license plate?
Yep.
Oh, maybe he's just trying to get over.
867 DW. 867 DW. Yeah. Thank you.
87.
I mean, you could put like 15 down, and just. Jeez.
En el 2018.
Exacto.
¿Entrando a Estados Unidos o aquí en República Dominicana?
Ella la puede renovar. Entonces mi pregunta es...
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.